Hello, hello, my most amazing artists. Today we're going to learn how to draw your name in 3D letters, block letters, or bubble letters, depending on what you like. You're going to need your paper, you're going to need a pencil, and you're going to need something darker to write with. I have a Sharpie, but you can use marker, you can use crayon, a colored pencil, whatever you have. So, let's get started. When you are drawing your name, okay, you want to start with some block letters or some regular letters. I'm going to write my name. You could write your first name or last name. It's up to you. And I want to leave a little bit of space in between them. Larger space than I usually have. If you don't like the spacing on your paper, see how my name's a little bit to the right of the paper, I could always flip my paper over, erase this, and do it again. I'm making sure that this part I'm drawing really lightly because we're going to be erasing them afterwards. Alright, when you're ready, you want to get that darker thing to draw with. Or if you're uncomfortable, I guess you can still go with your pencil. You're going to get that darker tool, and you're going to go around your letters. And at the ends, you're going to make squares. So you're using your letters that you drew previously sort of as a guideline. Let me zoom in a little. Okay. There we go. If you have a really long last name or first name, you can always write a nickname or the name of your dog or cat or, brother, sister, whatever you want. Now, the reason why we made sure that we had space in between so that we could do this. Now, I'm going really fast because I've actually had some practice with this before, but I want you to take your time. And remember when you're going around O's, O's have that, just like the R has a little spot in the middle, same thing with the O's. You got to go on the inside of it too. Alright, now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to erase the inside guidelines that we had before. And it's erased. Well, as best as I could. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of frame or decorations around them. I like to, just outline it this way. And you don't have to do yours exactly the way mine is. And now I'm going to add some decorations out here. Maybe you want to draw something that's personal to you. Like, maybe you like hearts. We all know that Miss Renko loves to paint, so maybe I can put a paintbrush down here. Or if you're not sure what you want to draw, you can always just add designs or lines or shapes. That's completely up to you. And I hope when you're finished, you add some color and make it look pretty. Make it look the way you want it to. This is a great project when you're finished to hang up on a door, or on your bedroom door, I should say. It's a pretty fun thing. All right, guys. I hope you had fun today drawing letters, block letters. There are, in your Google Classroom, there are other resources for you if you're having some trouble. But I hope you have fun with this today. If you want to use what you learned last week to add some value to your letters, just think about where the light would be coming from, and you can add some shading to your letters and make them look really like they're popping out of the paper. It's a great time to practice shading. All right. I hope you had fun or are having fun. I'll see you later. Bye.